Catching any type of cancer early is the best way to beat it.
In tonight's Wear the Gown, Eyewitness News reporter Jeremy Baker introduces us to one woman who took advantage of genetic testing for preventative reasons, a decision that could have saved her life.
BRCA1 and BRCA2 are breast cancer mutations that put women at a higher risk for developing ovarian cancer, which is often not caught until it's in the late stages. That's why genetic testing is very important for many women.
I was 25 years old when I had a breast tumor. That was on one of the breasts, on my right one.
Maribel Galvan ended up having cancer in both breasts, and with more than 30 relatives with a history of cancer, she wanted to be proactive.
It never crossed my mind until I was 39. That was the second time I had some problems with my left breast, and that's when we decided to go ahead and do the genetic testing.
Dr. Pamela Otto, the lead breast cancer radiologist for University Health, says not everybody has to get tested for BRCA.
If you have a strong family history of breast cancer, or meaning mother, sister, daughter, grandmother's not so much, but first-degree relative.
I didn't even think twice about it. I didn't even talk to my kids about it. I decided to do full mastectomy, take my ovaries and my uterus out.
All to make sure she couldn't develop a more serious cancer in those parts of her body. She also plans to get genetic testing for her daughter, who had a lump discovered at the young age of 15.
It was very scary for me.
Galvan says women who are most at risk for developing cancer should absolutely get tested.
I know it is very scary, especially when you hear genetic testing, when you hear about cancer. You always have to think and remember your whys. My whys were my kids, my family, my husband.
If you are considering getting genetic testing, make sure you talk to your family doctor or a genetic counselor first. Jeremy Baker, KENS 5 Eyewitness News.
For more information on family health, call 210-358-3045. You can also find the rest of our Wear the Gown stories. Just go to wearthegown.com.